From the main menu, select Customers, Transactions, Customer Sales Orders. Click on the Add Sales Order button. Select the customer from the Customer drop-down menu. Confirm that the delivery date is correct. Click on the Select Item drop-down menu to select the item the customer is ordering. Tab to the quantity field and enter the number of units the customer needs. Confirm the value is correct and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Email button to process the document. Once processed, the document will display on the Customer Sales Orders screen.